Hello, welcome to the Great Garden Channel. 90% of people still don't know a simple way to care for all kinds of garden plants while maintaining their vitality and natural beauty. Today, I'm going to share with you an extremely simple organic fertilizer recipe. Made only from familiar kitchen ingredients, it's safe, gentle, and easy for anyone to prepare. This method helps plants grow strong from root to tip. Roots develop thick, healthy, and resilient. Leaves become lush, thick, and glossy. Flower spikes grow upright, buds form evenly, and blooms open beautifully and last longer, bringing your garden vibrant vitality and natural color. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Now, let's get started together. Do you have tea at home? Tea is usually brewed for drinking, to relax and support good health. Besides that, it's also a miracle remedy for orchids. Green tea contains important antioxidants, especially compounds that help protect plants from diseases and repel insects. First, I add 3 tablespoons of tea leaves into a clean glass cup. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water to brew the tea. Then, stir well with a spoon so the nutrients and natural active compounds in the tea dissolve evenly into the water, allowing the solution to work more effectively when used on the plant. Finally, cover it and let the solution steep for about 2 hours. While waiting for the solution to cool, I'd like to share with you a very important tip before fertilizing orchids. That is to always lightly rinse the plant with water before applying fertilizer. Lightly pre-watering helps moisten the growing medium and roots, preventing the plant from experiencing shock when it comes into contact with nutrients. When the roots are already moist, the plant will absorb nutrients more slowly and evenly, reducing the risk of root burn, yellowing leaves, or root rot, especially in weakened plants. Just lightly water with clean water, no need to soak, then proceed with fertilizing. This small tip helps orchids stay healthier, safer, and absorb nutrients much more effectively. After 2 hours, I completely strain out the tea residue and keep only the clear liquid for use. This helps the plant absorb nutrients better and prevents residue from clogging the roots or settling on the leaves. Next, add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. That's it. I now have the fertilizer solution ready to water the plants. Let's get started together. Method 1. I pour the diluted green tea extract solution into a spray bottle. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Then gently mist the orchid evenly, covering the leaves, stem, roots, and even the leaf axils. This spraying method allows the natural active compounds in tea, such as antioxidants, polyphenols, and a small amount of essential micronutrients, to penetrate evenly into the plant. As a result, the leaf tissues are better nourished, the orchid's resistance is enhanced, and the surfaces of the leaves and roots become more airy, helping to limit the growth of harmful fungi and bacteria. You can apply this once a week during the first month. Once the plant has adapted and is growing steadily, maintaining it once a month is appropriate. After spraying, let the plant dry naturally for about 10 to 15 minutes. If any water remains in the leaf axils, gently wipe it away to avoid prolonged moisture. Wiping the leaves helps reduce the risk of fungal diseases and keeps the orchid healthy. Not only is this method applied to orchids, but I also use this solution to mist spray roses as well. When applied regularly, rose leaves become darker green with a cleaner, thicker, and healthier surface, helping reduce leaf spots and fungal issues caused by high humidity. The solution helps enhance the plant's natural resistance, promotes balanced and stronger branch growth, and thereby creates a solid foundation for bud formation and flowers that bloom evenly, with richer color and longer-lasting blooms. Method 2. Pour the filtered tea solution into a clean watering can. Then gently and evenly water around the base of the orchid, so the nutrients gradually soak down into the root zone. Tea is rich in natural organic compounds and trace minerals, helping orchid roots grow strong and improving nutrient absorption. Water once a week during the flowering stimulation stage. When the plant has stabilized and is blooming regularly, you can reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain long-lasting flower color and support long-term growth of the orchid. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 3. You can rephrase it in the style of an ornamental plant care expert as follows. Next, pour the filtered tea solution into a clean cup. Use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently absorb the solution. Then gently and slowly wipe each anthurium leaf. This method helps remove dust and residue from the leaf surface while also supplying organic compounds and natural micronutrients from the tea, making the leaves thicker, darker green, and naturally glossy. When wiping, be sure to clean both the upper and underside of the leaves to enhance nutrient absorption. Carrying this out once or twice a week will help keep anthurium leaves clean and well aerated, improve photosynthesis, and support stable, long-term plant growth. Results after 2 months of application. After about 2 months of using the tea solution, the orchid leaves become noticeably darker green, with a thicker texture and a natural sheen. New leaves grow vigorously, clearly improving the plant's photosynthetic capacity. The root system recovers well, with many new, plump, white roots emerging. The root tips turn green and firmly anchored to the growing medium, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients steadily and maintain sustainable growth. New shoots and flower spikes develop evenly. The stems become sturdy, and buds form in greater numbers, round and firm, resulting in blooms that hold their color well and give the orchid pot long-lasting beauty. With roses, this method also shows positive results. The foliage becomes lush and smooth, leaves are thicker and healthier, and bud formation occurs more steadily, indicating strong plant growth and improved flowering potential. What do you think about this natural plant care method using tea? Have you ever applied this approach to orchids or roses? Please share your experience in the comments section. This is a well-deserved result of patience and proper care. When nurtured correctly, plants respond with resilient vitality and refined beauty. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more simple yet effective plant care tips. See you in the next videos.